How to reset MetaMask wallet account. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can reset your MetaMask wallet account. For this, open the MetaMask app on your device. If you don't have this application, head over to Play Store or App Store in order to download and install this. Now, make sure to sign into your account. After you have been signed in, there are a couple of reasons why you might want to reset your MetaMask wallet account. It can be because you want a fresh start, or it can be if you want to troubleshoot any errors on your MetaMask account. Whatever the reason is, all you have to do is follow these simple steps in order to reset your MetaMask wallet account. Step 1 is to tap on the gear icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. That will take you to your settings. Here, tap on the advanced. Now, the first option you see is Reset Account. This action will clear your transaction activity. The data might not be retrievable after you do this. If you want to reset your account, go ahead and tap on the Reset Account option. A box will appear asking you for confirmation. Go ahead and tap on the Yes Reset option. Once you do that, your account will be successfully reset. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.